If you're curious about natural remedies and love the idea of growing your own medicinal herbs, let me tell you about the Medicinal Garden Kit. It's a complete package with non-GMO organic seeds, soil pellets, biodegradable pots, and a helpful guide. Even as a novice, I found it incredibly easy to start my own garden. The soil pellets expand with water, no mess, no fuss, and the seeds come clearly labeled. Within weeks, my garden was sprouting, and soon I had a bounty of herbs at my fingertips. I've crafted teas, tinctures, and salves that have truly benefited my health. Not to mention, it's incredibly rewarding to harvest what you've grown yourself. Plus, as the National Gardening Association points out, home gardening is eco-friendly and can even save money on healthcare costs by reducing the need for over-the-counter meds. Now let's talk investment. The cost is reasonable when you consider the savings on healthcare products and the priceless sense of well-being. If you're hesitant, rest assured, there's a money-back guarantee. So why not give it a go? Your body and your wallet might just thank you.